Hello everyone, my name is Honor and here today I'm help to you improve your trading skills and become a real professional. I'm very happy to see you all. Uh, let's wait 1-2 minutes when everybody will join us, and after this we can start our stream about support and resistance lines. Uh, this is our first stream will be. So that's why I'm really happy to see you all. I hope like these streams will help to you about in your trading. Uh, so that's why today I will try to show to you how to use support and resistance lines in your trading. So that's why it's a very important stream will be. Like I said, let's wait a little bit for another traders. When everybody will join us, we can start our stream. So again, my name is Onur, and uh, today I will try to show to you how to use support and resistance lines and how to draw on graphic. So what does it mean? How we can use? Why we must use support and resistance lines in these streams? In details, I will try to show to you, and if everything will be ok, also I will try to find some trading signals, and I would like to show how it works in practice. So let's wait a little bit more, or I think 2 minutes left, we can start. So again, hi everyone, my name is Honor and I'm here today to help you improve your trading skills and become a real professional. Today we will speak about support and resistance lines and how to use these lines in practice. Support and resistance lines are the most used technical analysis tools because they help us to predict the maximum level at which the price can rise and the minimum level at which it can fall. Uh, the price moves according to supply and demand. When demand greater than supply, prices rise. When supply is greater than demand, prices fall. So when you are opening the graphs, you can see some maximum and minimum points. By using these maximum and minimum points, we will try to draw support and resistance lines. Let's begin with support lines. What is support lines? Support is the level at which demand is strong enough to stop the price from falling any further. The price drops as approaches support, demand becomes more inclined to open up trades and supply becomes less willing to open down trades. So it means when price falls, at some moment it stops to fall. Here we will find our first minimum point. So it's okay. And after this, price again goes up and after again goes down. Here it will be the second minimum point. By using this minimum point, I can use and I can say that here I think it will be good line, good moment for to draw our support line. So by using minimum points, as I say, we can draw our support line. So we are drawing support line at the minimum points. For the draw support lines, we have minimum two minimum points. So let me search a good point for the draw our support line. For example, here we have a good example. So if we will look, price falls down. At first, this is the first minimum. Then price rises and falls again. This is our second minimum point. At this point, I can use and I can say that price will not go more because it tested 2 times, but it couldn't broke. And the next time for the next periods, again, it will not broke these lines. So By using our drawing tools at the left side, if I will click here, we can see the different drawing tools. Today, I will use the line. For support lines, usually I choose green one, and I will change the line style. If I will click apply, all is ready for the draw support line. By using these minimum points, I will draw my support line. So dear traders, as you can see, at this point it was a stronger and it was a very good point that the support line, it works. Price couldn't broke this line, and after this again it was going up. So it is a good moment, and it is a good point that for the next time I will know that if price will go down, the first target will be our support line. As we can see, for the next periods, price couldn't broke this line and it was strongly going up. This is our support line I tried to explain to you. And for the resistance lines, in this case, we need to find maximum points when the price was testing maximum points but couldn't broke these maximum points. So resistance lines, it is opposite of support line. For the draw of these resistance lines in flat trend, we can use again drawing tools. This time I will choose the color it will be red for to understand better. Here, as you can see at the graphic, we can see that the first point price was testing for the resistance lines for the maximum point. The second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. So at this point, again, I can see and I can draw my resistance lines. So think that if we don't know what will be for the next period, price is moving between our support and resistance lines, I can say that if price will go up at this point, I can open a down trades because price is testing our resistance lines. Before price was tested 1, 2, and third time, it couldn't broke this line, and at this point I can say that this is a good and strong resistance lines. Now, dear traders, I'm looking for 1 minute time frames. You can use support and resistance lines in different time frames. You can choose 1 minute, you can choose 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. I can advise to you to use support and resistance lines in high time frames because it will be enough easy to you to draw these lines, because in small time frames price moves very quickly. Maybe it will not enough time to draw these lines. So but of course you can make more practice, and in the future when you will have enough experience, it will be very easy to draw these support and resistance lines. So also I want to say that today we are making how to say stream about support and resistance lines and level 1. So I think it will be good for these traders who doesn't know anything about support and resistance lines. I'm also waiting for the next our streams 3 days later. It will be level 2. In this case, also we will look how to use support and resistance lines with helping our indicators. So if we will go back to our stream, support and resistance lines in flat trends, we can find and we can draw some like this. Also, we have different trends times when price goes up or when price goes down. So let me check and let me find a good example to explain better. For example, if I will look to this graphic, I will see that the price goes down, and if you will pay attention, price goes down, but in this period we have minimum and maximum points again. in this case, again, I can use our drawing tools, and again, I can draw my support and resistance lines. So again, in the downtrend, uh, I need to find again maximum points for the draw our resistance lines. At the left side, drawing tools, again, I will choose the red one for the resistance lines. At this point, I can see that price was testing some points, found some prices, but it couldn't broke these lines. So in this case, I can use and I can draw something like this from where my resistance lines goes from maximum points. So in this case, I can see that price goes down. This is a downtrend. Uh, I already predict my way of the trend. And also I will know that if price will rise, the first target will be my resistance lines. So when price comes to resistance lines, I will open a down trade. At this point, also I can use our support line, and also I can find and predict our trading corridor. So from the minimum points, I will draw my support line. It will be the green. So if we will look, we will see something like this graphic on the screen. So here, dear traders, I can say that I have a downtrend. In this downtrend, there is a maximum and minimum points that prices are testing. So at the minimum points, I used already, I draw my support and resistance lines. When the price goes down till the support line, at this point I will think that price will not break this line. I will open up trades. When the price comes to support resistance lines, I will think that price will not go higher and it will go down. At this point I will open down trade. Again, I want to say that you can use these lines in different time frames. Uh, if you are not sure how to use it in small time frames, maybe you will not have enough time to draw and find some good trading signals, you can use and you can look to 5 minutes, 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frames. Uh, that's all I wanted to explain to you in theory. Let's try to find some trading signals on real time. Let me find some trading signals in real time for the show how we are using, how we can find signals by using our support and resistance lines. For this one, I will use different assets to find good trading signals. Also, one point I want to say to you about support and resistance lines. For example, at the first graph, we were drawing support and resistance lines. If price will break our resistance lines, in this case, our resistance lines will become a support line. So also in this case, we can delete our the green one before previous support line. So if price will break our resistance lines will become the new support line. In another hand, if price will break support line and it will go down, in this case, our support line will become a new resistance lines. So let me to find some good trading signals by using support and resistance lines. I hope all is clear, dear tradings. Not a good station, but we can try here at this point. So if I will go and if I will look, price was testing 1, 2, 3 and 4th time now it tries to broke our this line. If I will draw here our resistance lines, maybe it will be a good point for enter to trade. So in this case, I will open 3 minutes deals, trades, and I will open down trades because I think that This point is a good resistance lines because price couldn't broke this line, this level, one, two, three times. But we were a little bit late. Uh, just for an example, I was a little hurry for open trade, but let's wait anyway. What will be the result? Uh, Of course, it could be better if I would open at this point a down trade. But anyway, as you can see, these lines are really strongly working because many traders and many participants will draw these lines at the same time, and they are using all these lines. So as you can see, price goes down. So for the support line, what we can think at this point, if I will look the graph, I will see here before price was testing these points, but here I could see that price was going a little bit down, but we can say these false brokes. Uh, Also, at this point, I can draw our support lines. So I will choose the green one for the support line, and I will open at this point our new support lines. So uh, my trading will go in these periods: support line and resistance lines. At the minimum point I was drawing our support line, at the maximum point I was drawing my resistance lines. So as you can see, guys, the first hour trade, it was successful, and our resistance and support lines worked very good. Also, mm, I want to take your attention to this point. At the flat thread, we get really good signals from these lines. Also, you can find in uptrend or in downtrend by using trend lines. So now I will try to find a good signals by using trend lines. For this one, I need an uptrend or downtrend. Just let me search, please. As I said before, if you can't find a good trading signals on your time frame, always you can choose high time frames to get good trading signals. Also, I want to give you a tricky tips. If you are looking 1 minute time frames, in this case you can choose your time frame 3 or 4 minutes later. So for example, now is if we get a good signals at this point and my time frame is 1 minute, for 3 or 4 Japanese candlestick for the period, you can choose your expiration times. uh, I guess here there is a good position. At this point again I will use our resistance lines. So if we will look, uh, we will see that price was testing maximum points in a downtrend, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5 time. I think it is a really good point for the open down trades. Now it's 18:49. My trade will end 18:53. I will open down trade. Why? Because we have a downtrend. At this downtrend, price testing our resistance lines, and I think that price will not broke this line because it couldn't many times before in the previous periods. So that's why again I think price will not broke this line. So that's why I opened a down trade. So if you will get signals, for example, in 5 minutes, time frames. Also, you can open for 15 or 20 minutes trades. So again, we can wait how these trades will finish. You know, today I'm speaking just the classic variant, how to draw support and resistance lines. This is the very easy method. It will very good for the beginners. Uh, Also, I advise to use these support and resistance lines with another indicators. In this case, you will get very guaranteed results. You will be sure about your tradings because getting signals just one for just one tool, so maybe it will be not good results. But if you will get additional trading signals when you are using support and resistance lines, in this case you can get best results. So again, dear traders, I was a little bit hurried to open our down trades, but anyway, price was testing again our resistance lines. Maybe this broken, it was false broken. After this, price again tries to going down. 1 minute more, I will wait. Let's see how it will finish. But of course, it will be better if you will open a trade when price testing our support or resistance lines. Please don't hurry like I made. In this case, you will get best results. So let's wait 40 seconds more and let's see how it will be. 30 seconds left. Last 10 seconds. Mm, this is unsuccessful, unfortunately, but I'm sure if we open our trades at this point when the price was testing our resistance lines, uh, it would be 100% successful because as you can see, just one time price it was broken our resistance lines, and after this how it falls. So we couldn't get we couldn't decide about expiration times. So please don't be hurry. Please wait when price will test our resistance lines. At this point, if you will open your trades, you will get good results. So again, I want to say that if you will use high time frames, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, in this case, you will get better results. If you don't know how to use and if you don't have some experience, if you didn't use these lines before. So support and resistance lines, in this stream I was trying to explain to you. We can say that it's a graphical analysis also because you must understand when you are open the graphic, you can see some maximum and minimum points. By using these maximum and minimum points, you need to draw our support and resistance lines. So uh, I hope all was clear. I will try to find another trading signals by using our support and resistance lines. Let me look for some signals. What do you think, guys? Maybe at this point we have a good up signals. I opened here up trades. Why? Because if we will look to graphic, we will see that price was testing one time, second time, third time, fourth time, and now it's five time it tries to broke this line. If I will use our support line and I will draw a line at this point, it will be not mistake, because at this point I can see there is a good and strong support line that price couldn't broke this level previous periods. So as you can see how it reacts to this point, to this our levels. As I said, now I try to uh, really very simple variants to understand how we are using and how we are drawing this one. So at this point, of course, it's better to check high time frames, because as we can see at this point, maybe I don't know how to explain, but it's really price tries to go down here, maybe volume more than we are thinking. So maybe this is a broken period, but anyway, we still have 1 minute more for the wait to get results. Let's wait how it will finish. Again, I will draw our support line at this point. If we see something like this big Japanese candlestick, so maybe we can talk about a real broken levels, because uh, at this Japanese candlestick it could be really good, a big volume that traders are really want to broke this level. Let's wait 20 seconds more. Unfortunately, it was unsuccessful, but anyway, I hope you understood what I was trying to explain to you. Uh, like I said, 3 days later, I will have another stream where I will explain support and resistance lines with help in our indicators. So in this case, it will be very interesting stream. Also, again, I will try to find some trading signals for the explain better. At first, also I will spoke about theory. So as you can see, dear traders, how price is testing again our support and resistance lines. Uh, at this point, these lines are working very good, very actively. Please make more practice on your demo account. You will like it. Every trader must use these support and resistance lines, because without these lines it will be very hard to predict and get good trading signals. uh, I think that's all. I hope you like these videos. This is our first stream, and I hope it will be not last. The next time we will make again stream about support and resistance lines with help in our indicators. Again, I'm waiting all of you guys. If you will have any questions, if you will want to know another indicators or another trading strategies, please let us know. We really want to help to you in your trading. We will try to keep our streams in future. I hope you liked. This is our first stream. Uh, Thank you guys for your participating. Again, please make practice on your demo accounts. For today, that's all. I was really happy to see you all. Mm, See you next time, guys. Bye bye.